We're so pretty, oh so pretty, vacant. So, vacant, vacancy. Vacant is an adjective. A vacancy is a noun, and I guess you have an adverb as well, vacantly. Okay, so vacant, as in the song, means showing no interest, no mental activity. He had a vacant look on his face, a vacant expression on his face. His mind is empty, he's just not responsive. Vacant. We use this to say that something is empty, it's available, it's free, it's unoccupied. Yeah? So is this seat taken or is it vacant? Is this seat vacant? Yeah? Or you go into a hotel. Do you have a vacancy? Do you have a vacant room? Yes, sir, we have a vacant room. Is this seat vacant? Yeah. Is it empty? Is it open? Or a vacancy, a job. There is a vacancy for a filing clerk. A vacant job, one that no one is doing and is available for somebody new. The position fell vacant, yeah, and I was promoted to that position. Okay, so a vacant position, yeah, a vacancy, a space that's available to be used, yeah. Outside the hotel sometimes it says no vacancies, no vacant rooms. Yeah, a toilet can be engaged or vacant. Read the sign. Yeah, the hotel vacancy rate, the percentage of rooms, or the average percentage of rooms that are not occupied. Yeah, this building is enormous, but there are still 25% of the offices vacant. Yeah, a vacant stare. A blank stare. Yeah, just nothing inside. Yeah, he stared vacantly into space. Okay, a vacancy, an unoccupied job, a vacancy for a chauffeur, a vacant room. Yeah, or there are no vacancies in the hospital. Yeah, and then, yeah, I guess he stared with vacancy. Yeah, just nobody there. Okay, so a job that has no incumbent is vacant. Yeah, a vacant office. The throne is vacant. A vacant seat on a bus. Yeah, during the vacant hours of the weekend, he lounged on the sofa. Yeah, he had a vacant look on his face. Vacant land, it's not been put to use. Okay, so vacant, vacancy. Yeah, I guess vacation as well comes from the same root, is your vacant time. Yeah. Okay, so something vacant is not being used by anybody. Yeah, a vacant look, mindless, they're not thinking. Yeah, maybe they're just not able to think. Okay, so vacant. Formality, a vacant look, 5.5 in formality. Is there a vacancy? I think I'm probably going to give it a 6 in formality. Is there a job? Is there a job open informally? I think use it in a semi-formal conversation or writing or something very formal. Vacantly. He looked at me vacantly. 5.5 in formality. And then as to origin, okay, these words come from French, or come from Latin through French. From Latin, vacans, from vaco, emptying, vacating, idling. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Vacant, vacancy, vacantly.